Pitmasters, what is up? Today I'm going to show you how to do a low and slow session on the 04 wood fire grill. So for this low and slow session I got these beautiful lamb shanks. And why lamb shanks, might you ask? Because they have a lot of flavor, and when you do a low and slow on them, they become so good. It's absolutely fantastic. Now the tricky part is getting the grill to a low temperature, and I'm going to show you just how to do that today. We'll start by putting on a little bit of olive oil on the lamb shanks with some salt and some pepper. But now we gotta prepare our grill. The 04 is a beautiful grill, and we got already a fire going. It's nice and hot. What I want to do now is I want to move the embers and the burning logs to one side of the grill. And with these bricks I'm going to create a plateau. I'm just going to put them in. Ow! That's hot. Woo!
I thought you were fireproof.
I thought I was fireproof too. So I'm going to put in this grill grate, and the sole purpose of putting this grill grate in is I don't want to have to put the meat on the bottom. I just want to have them elevated. Now you can see how we set up our grill with a direct and an indirect side. Now we're going to put our lamb shanks over indirect heat. Bones sticking out toward the heat. This is looking good. As you can see, we still have flames. Oh, and they're almost out. But when the flames go out, it will create smoke. So no need to add more smoke wood. You just need to add smoke wood when you only have embers. So I'm going to put on the lid like this. And we're going to leave a small gap open for air to come in and keep the fire going. And at the same time, enough smoke creates enough heat and also cooks our beautiful lamb shanks. Look at that, look at the amount of smoke that's coming off it. Who says you can't smoke on a wood fire grill? And if you want to, look at this. You can even create an area on the opposite side so that all of the hot air is here. And you just have a low and slow on this side. This is fantastic low and slow skills that you got right here with this grill. Did you bring beer?
Do you know any employee that brings beer to their work?
If their work is to barbecue, I think so, yeah.
Okay, then I'm sorry.
Our lamb shanks are smoking away nicely. While they are smoking, we are going to work on a curry-like paste. It's not exactly curry because I'm gonna put in a lot of stuff that's not normal for curry, but it's gonna taste amazing. I got my pan set up over the little bit of gap that we have left so it heats up. I'm going to put in a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to slice fine an onion. We'll put our onion in the pan. I'm also going to slice fine 2 garlic cloves.
Some cheese.
No, not cheese. We're going to add some tomato pulp. This is 800 grams of tomato pulp in total. We'll add 3 tablespoons of mild curry paste. I think, Marcin, you need to try this. I think, put your finger in there. Try this, taste it.
That's heavy.
You know when it's a good mild curry paste? I mean, you know when it's a good curry paste? When it says mild curry paste and it's still hot. Okay, we need to add coconut milk as well. Wow, nice and creamy. Now we'll stir this up and let it simmer. There we go.
How long is it going to take?
Until it's done. Do you want to go home?
No, I want to eat.
Oh, yeah, well, it takes another couple hours. Our curry is thickened up nicely. It looks really good. We might want to check on our meat, see if it's done, and then maybe it's time to eat. I'm gonna go in with my thermometer, check on the temperature. Nice, we're at the 65 degrees Celsius. Really good. Look at the color of the meat. Absolutely fantastic. Oh, juices are running out. I'm gonna take these lamb shanks off the grill. Look at their color, man. Wow. Nice and red. Absolutely gorgeous. Now that is what I call a well-smoked lamb shank. Now before we're going to slice into these, I got a clay pot with pre-cooked rice. We'll quickly put this on the grill and reheat it over indirect heat again. I think, Marcin, it's time to take out Beta Loco and slice into it, right?
I think we have to.
We have to. We have to taste it. We have to see how good it actually is. Look at the juices running, man. Oh, that's a good sign. Look at that. Nice. Slow smoked lamb shanks. There we go. Oh. Lamb shanks have that strong lamb flavor, but it goes really well with curry because curry is a strong in flavor as well. It tastes good. We definitely got a lot of smoke flavor on there. We got salt and pepper. Really good. You want to try some, Marcel? There you go.
Too far away.
I don't know, yeah. Well, catch.
No.
Come on over then. Tasty?
This is unbelievable.
We cooked it to 65 degrees Celsius now.
Yeah.
You can either cook it to like a steak temperature, like 54, and then the fat doesn't really melt which inside, or now to 65 where the fat melts a little bit more inside and it's cooked to like medium well. Or you can go all the way up to 92 degrees Celsius and cook it completely through until it's fall apart tender. Is this good, or would you cook it to fall apart tender?
It's really hard.
For me as well, because I think both is great. You know, a lot of moisture and juices are preserved when you cook it to 65 degrees Celsius. And if you cook it all the way up to 92, of course you get that tender and fall apart and everything is rendered down, and that works really well. But for now, I'm really happy with this result. I want to get this plated up, so we're going to take out the rice, see if it's warmed up, warm enough. Get some of that rice in there. And now our beautiful curry. This is going to be a treat. Slow bubble, beautiful. Just going to pour it in there. Wow, look at this. The curry, a little bit of rice, and of course our lamb. Ooh. Oh, this is tasty. Mild curry. I don't want to try the spicy one. Oh. Oh. Are you hungry, Marcel?
Yeah.
This is my favorite part. Creating a dish like this on the barbecue really gives it the beautiful dimension. The smoked meat, low and slow on a wood fire grill, absolutely beautiful. The curry, it tastes insane. It's so easy to make, so easy to do, and it just tastes so good. With a little bit of pre-cooked rice, or just, of course, make your fresh rice. Man, this is a recipe to die for, and it's easy to make. You want to try? You want to try it? Oh, sorry, bro. A little bit of rice. Look at that. That's good, right?
It's perfect.
It makes my lip tingle. So spicy.
It's really spicy. It's really good.
It's a lot of fun to be cooking on a wood fire grill like the Ophir. It's an outdoor cooking experience. You can stand around with friends and family. You can come up with a really beautiful dish like this. Of course, you can just as easily make it on any barbecue, but this just adds a little bit of fun, cooking over these logs, having a result like this. What more can you wish for? I hope you guys enjoyed me cooking on this wood fire grill, and I hope the trick that I showed you with the low and slow is really a good tool to cook. You can cook brisket on it like this even. Hope to see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to leave us a big thumbs up. Big thank you to our YouTube members and our patrons. See you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling.